Oh, there he is. Dot 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 dot. Who are you, Red? I saw a lot of bad stuff growing up, so I wanted to become a detective. So I did. I graduated from this academy at the top of my class, but it wasn't enough. Oh, Izumi, it was you who stopped Team Somber from getting. Yeah, hell yes. Thank you. I learned something. Being the ace rookie isn't enough to stop Team Somber. God dang! He's having his "I understand it now" moment. God dang! No, to stop all crime, I need to become stronger than the criminals. My man's having a character development arc, dude. At the end of the day, it's all about how strong you are. Yep. Silver Sun City is east of here, but the path is blocked by rocks. If you beat the gym leader here, you'll be able to use the HM Rock Smash. There's a gym here? Which will let you pass. There's already a gym here. See you in Silver Sun City or sooner than that, I think.